Welcome to our channel. If you need to reset your Dropbox password to regain access to your account, follow these simple steps for a quick password recovery. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. Click on Sign In at the top right corner of the page. Step 2. On the Sign In page, click on Forgot Password, located below the password field. Step 3. Enter the email address associated with your Dropbox account in the provided field and click Continue. Step 4. Check your email inbox for a password reset message from Dropbox. The email should arrive within a few minutes. Step 5. If you don't see the email in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder as it may have been filtered there. Step 6. Open the password reset email and click on the Reset Your Password button or link provided in the message. Step 7. You'll be directed to a secure Dropbox page where you can create a new password for your account. Step 8. Enter your new password twice in the provided fields to confirm it. Make sure to choose a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Step 9. Click Reset Password or Submit to save your new password and complete the reset process. Step 10. Sign into your Dropbox account using your email and new password to verify that the reset was successful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.